Babar Azam to sign the match ball for our representative from Grow, the Super 11 player of the match, a check to Babar. Babar 151 of 131 deliveries. Babar firstly with the innings. You walked in, it seemed as if the ball wasn't coming onto the bat. You took your time, you looked solid all the way through. Just talk us through the phases of your innings.
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Yes, when I'm going inside, so I play a couple of balls, but ball not coming properly, so like two pace. So I will try to build the innings, and then Rizwan in me just try to build the innings, build the partnership, and then after that we just decided to let's see, and then we have a different phases, so that time sometime Rizwan give me a confidence, and sometime I give confidence for Rizwan. So yeah, and Indian when if the car is coming, they play is different cricket. So I think I congratulations to if the car is 100.
Yeah, magnificent innings from him. Were you telling him just to hit boundaries at the end, just clear the boundary? I know it's very hard, but he struck the ball beautifully.
Of course, when he is playing, when he is inside, he is little bit struggle, and then I am asking him to you just play your natural game, and then after the 2-3 boundaries, he is comfortable, and then he is build the innings, and then after the 40 hour, he just smack it and is finish the game.
Happy with the bowling performance? Do you think the bowlers did well in the heat?
Yes, I am satisfied. I think a couple of overs we are not up to the mark, but I think the way fast bowlers started and then the spinners, good to see everyone to bowl very well.
Next game, obviously India, Pakistan, the big game, everybody talking about it. Is this the best possible, before that game, the best possible preparation?
Yes, kind of, because always win give you confidence, and then we have our mindset and our confidence high, and we just try to give our 100% in every match. We have a next match because India-Pakistan always high intensity match, so we will try to our best.
And traveling tomorrow morning, so we'll have to drink lots of water, lot of rehydration. Very well done, Babar, and we'll hope to see you soon.
Thank you.